Most people use tools every day, but very few understand what real German engineering actually feels like in hand. On AU Techverse, we're uncovering 30 German tools built for precision, durability, and serious work, and every single one is linked in the description so you can check them out yourself. Don't skip, because the difference between average work and professional results might come down to just one tool. Bitholding screwdriver. When you're working in tight spaces or switching between screws quickly, constantly changing tools can slow you down. The Bitholding screwdriver is designed to keep everything in one place with built-in bit storage inside the handle. Its telescopic blade allows you to adjust between a compact setup for confined areas and a longer reach when needed. The quick change mechanism makes swapping bits simple, even with one hand, which helps maintain workflow. It can also connect to power tools when required. For everyday tasks, it offers convenience, flexibility, and efficient handling in one tool. Wera Hex Plus. When you're working with hex screws that are slightly worn, a standard key often slips and damages the head further. The Wera Hex Plus set is designed to improve contact with the screw, reducing wear, and helping you apply torque more effectively. The keys cover a practical range of sizes and feature a holding function that can keep the screw in place, which is useful when working in tight or awkward positions. The compact holder keeps everything organized and easy to access. For controlled fastening with less risk of stripping, it offers a reliable upgrade over standard hex keys. Einhell Power Exchange. When you're working on a quick cut in a space without easy access to power outlets, a cordless solution becomes essential. The Einhell Power Exchange Mini Circular Saw is designed for precise straight cuts in wood and similar materials, while staying lightweight and easy to handle. Its battery system is shared across compatible tools, so you can swap power sources without interruption. The cutting depth adjusts without tools, and blade changes are straightforward, helping you stay efficient on the job. For portable cutting with consistent control, it's a practical option for both workshop and site use. Bosch Palm Router. When you're trimming edges or adding fine details to a woodworking project, control is everything. The Bosch Palm Router is designed for precise routing with a compact body that fits comfortably in your hand. Its variable speed motor allows you to adjust performance based on the material, while the solid base provides stability during operation. Fine depth adjustment helps you make accurate passes without overcutting. In real use, it gives you the confidence to shape edges cleanly and consistently. For detailed woodworking, it delivers reliable precision where it matters most. 3 arm puller set. When you're removing a tight bearing or gear, using force in the wrong way can damage both the part and the shaft. The 3 arm puller set is designed to apply even, controlled pressure during extraction. Its adjustable jaws can be positioned to grip securely from multiple angles, helping maintain balance as you turn the central screw. The design allows both internal and external pulling, making it useful for different repair situations. It's especially helpful in confined spaces where precision matters. For safe and controlled removal of press-fit components, it provides a dependable solution. KNIPEX DT Crimper. When you're working on automotive wiring or sealed connectors, a poor crimp can lead to unreliable connections later. The KNIPEX DT Crimper is designed to deliver consistent results across a range of wire sizes. Its 4-indent crimping system forms precise contact points, helping ensure a secure electrical connection. The built-in ratchet mechanism controls the crimping cycle, so each press completes properly before release. It's especially useful when working with DTM and DTP connectors. For clean, repeatable crimps in critical wiring tasks, it offers dependable performance. Wera Bit Ratchet Set. When you're working inside a tight engine bay or assembling parts in a confined space, a full-size ratchet can be difficult to use. The Wera Bit Ratchet Set is designed to handle those situations with a compact ratchet that fits easily into restricted areas. It comes organized with a selection of bits and sockets, so you can switch between fasteners without searching for tools. The ratcheting mechanism allows continuous movement with minimal repositioning. For precise work where space is limited, it provides a practical and efficient solution. Felo K-handle screwdriver. When you're dealing with stubborn fasteners, a standard straight handle often doesn't give enough control or leverage. The Felo K-handle screwdriver is designed with an adjustable ratcheting head that can be positioned at different angles, allowing you to work comfortably in both open and confined spaces. The handle shape supports better force application, while the locking bit holder keeps the bit securely in place during use. In real scenarios, it helps you apply torque without slipping or straining your wrist. For controlled fastening with added flexibility, it offers a practical advantage on the job. Torx Bit Socket Set. When you're working on automotive or mechanical assemblies, Torx fasteners are common, and using the wrong fit can easily damage them. The Torx Bit Socket Set provides a full range of sizes built from heat-treated alloy steel for strength and durability. Each socket is designed to handle higher torque while maintaining a secure fit on the fastener. Clear size markings help you quickly identify the right piece, even in low-light conditions. With multiple drive sizes and adapters included, it covers a wide range of tasks. For reliable fastening without stripping, it's a solid addition to any toolkit. Jeweler's saw. When you're working on fine details like small wooden pieces, metal parts, or delicate cuts, control becomes more important than speed. The jeweler's saw is designed for precision work with a lightweight frame that keeps your hand steady during intricate cuts. Its adjustable design allows you to fit different blade lengths, making it adaptable for various tasks. The blade is held securely to maintain accuracy even during detailed shaping. In real use, it gives you the ability to cut clean, tight patterns without damaging surrounding material. For detailed craftsmanship, it provides reliable precision where it matters most. KNIPEX Pipe Cutter. When you're installing or repairing plumbing lines, a clean and precise cut makes the difference between a proper fit and a leak. The KNIPEX Pipe Cutter is designed to handle composite pipes within a specific diameter range, delivering smooth, straight cuts without crushing the material. It features a replaceable blade for long-term use, along with a spring-loaded opening mechanism that speeds up repetitive work. The locking system keeps it secure during transport. For consistent, clean pipe cutting on-site, it provides a dependable and efficient solution. Random Orbital Sander. When you're finishing a surface for paint or polish, uneven sanding marks can ruin the final result. The Random Orbital Sander is designed to provide a smooth, swirl-free finish by combining orbital motion with rotation. It features variable speed control, allowing you to adjust performance based on the material and task. The ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during longer sessions, while vibration control improves handling and consistency. Its dust extraction support keeps the workspace cleaner as you work. For achieving an even, professional finish, it delivers controlled and reliable sanding performance. QuickRelease Reversible Ratchet. When you're tightening or loosening fasteners in a confined area, constantly repositioning the tool can slow your progress. The QuickRelease Reversible Ratchet is designed with a fine-tooth mechanism that allows small return angles, making it effective in tight spaces. The QuickRelease feature lets you change sockets securely and efficiently without struggling to remove them. Its reversible switch enables smooth direction changes during operation. In real use, it keeps your workflow steady and controlled, especially during repetitive tasks. For compact access and reliable performance, it's a practical addition to any mechanical setup. QuickRelease Universal 2 Jaw Puller. When you need to remove a tightly fitted gear or bearing, uneven force can damage both the part and the shaft. The QuickRelease Universal 2 Jaw Puller is designed to apply controlled, even pressure for safe extraction. Its adjustable jaws can be positioned quickly to fit different sizes, while the central screw ensures steady force during removal. The slim profile makes it suitable for confined spaces where access is limited. In real workshop use, it helps you remove components without unnecessary damage. For precise and reliable pulling tasks, it delivers consistent performance. Cobra Water Pump Pliers. When you're adjusting pipes or gripping fittings of different sizes, slipping tools can slow the job and damage surfaces. The KNIPEX Cobra Water Pump Pliers are designed with a push-button adjustment that lets you set the jaw position quickly and securely. The teeth are shaped to grip firmly, helping prevent slipping even under load. Their self-locking function keeps the pliers stable on the workpiece, reducing the effort needed during use. In real plumbing or mechanical tasks, they provide controlled grip and reliability. For strong, adjustable holding, they remain a trusted professional choice. BiCut compound cutters. When you're cutting thicker wires or tougher materials, standard cutters can require too much force and slow your workflow. The KNIPEX BiCut compound cutters are designed to switch between normal cutting and high-force mode with a simple push of a button. This dual function increases cutting power when needed without changing tools. The cutting edges are hardened for durability, and the handle design helps reduce effort during repeated use. In real electrical or mechanical tasks, it gives you flexibility and control. For efficient cutting with adjustable power, it offers a practical advantage. 6-in-1 multi-driver. When you're switching between different screw types during a job, carrying multiple screwdrivers can slow you down. The 6-in-1 multi-driver combines several common functions into a single tool, allowing you to handle slotted, Phillips, and nut driving tasks without changing tools. The cushioned handle provides a comfortable grip, while the blades are securely fixed for consistent performance. In real use, it helps you move quickly between tasks without breaking focus. For everyday maintenance and quick repairs, it offers a simple and efficient all-in-one solution. Variable speed braking grinder. When you're cutting or grinding metal, control and safety become critical, especially during startup and shutdown. The variable speed braking grinder is designed to handle demanding tasks with a motor that supports multiple speed settings, allowing you to match performance to the material. The integrated braking system quickly stops the disc after use, reducing waiting time and improving safety. An electronic clutch helps protect against kickback if the disc binds during operation. In real workshop conditions, it gives you better control and confidence. For heavy-duty cutting and grinding, it delivers reliable and controlled performance. Cordless Plunge Track Saw. When you need long, perfectly straight cuts on large panels, guiding a standard saw can be difficult. The cordless plunge track saw is designed to work with a guide rail system that keeps every cut accurate and controlled. Its plunge mechanism allows you to start the cut smoothly at any point on the material, which is useful for interior cuts. Being cordless, it gives you more freedom to work without depending on power outlets. Depth adjustment and stable base support help maintain consistency. For precise panel cutting, it provides clean and repeatable results. ESTWING ball peen hammer. When you're shaping metal, setting rivets, or striking punches, you need a hammer that delivers controlled force without excessive vibration. The ESTWING ball peen hammer is forged from a single piece of steel, which improves strength and balance during use. Its rounded peen allows precise shaping, while the flat face handles general striking tasks. The handle is designed to reduce shock, making repeated use more comfortable. In real workshop conditions, it provides steady control and durability. For metalworking and general-purpose tasks, it remains a dependable and long-lasting tool. Insulated industrial pliers. When you're working around live electrical components, safety and control are critical. Insulated industrial pliers are designed with certified insulation that protects against electric shock while allowing you to grip, bend, and cut with confidence. The hardened jaws provide a strong hold on wires and components, while the ergonomic handles help maintain control during precise tasks. In real electrical work, they allow you to handle connections safely without compromising performance. For professionals dealing with live systems, they offer a reliable combination of protection and functionality. Long ARM HEX Key Set. When you're tightening bolts deep inside machinery or working at awkward angles, short hex keys often fall short. The long ARM HEX Key Set is designed to give you extended reach and better leverage, making it easier to access recessed fasteners. The long arm allows you to apply more torque with less effort, while the ball-end design on select keys lets you work at slight angles without losing engagement. Clear size markings help with quick identification. In real use, it simplifies difficult access points. For reliable reach and control, it's a practical addition to any toolkit. KNIPEX Automatic Wire Stripper. When you're preparing wires for connections, stripping insulation manually can be inconsistent and time-consuming. The KNIPEX Automatic Wire Stripper simplifies this process by adjusting automatically to different wire sizes, removing insulation cleanly without damaging the conductor. Its mechanism grips and strips in one smooth motion, which helps maintain speed and consistency during repetitive tasks. The ergonomic design improves comfort during extended use. In real electrical work, it reduces errors and saves time. For clean, precise wire preparation, it offers a dependable and efficient solution. Leather hole punch. When you're working with belts, straps, or leather pieces, uneven holes can affect both appearance and function. The leather hole punch is designed with a rotating head that offers multiple punch sizes, allowing you to select the right diameter quickly. Its lever mechanism reduces the effort needed, making repeated punching more comfortable. Built from durable materials, it provides consistent results across leather and similar materials. In real use, it helps you create clean, properly aligned holes without tearing the surface. For accurate and efficient punching, it remains a practical tool for detailed work. Dual head nail setter. When you're finishing trim work or setting nails below the surface, using a hammer alone can damage the surrounding material. The dual head nail setter is designed to drive nails cleanly without leaving marks. Its spring-loaded mechanism delivers controlled impact, allowing you to set nails without needing a hammer. The dual head design supports different nail sizes, making it flexible for various tasks. In real finishing work, it helps achieve a clean surface ready for filling or painting. For precise nail setting in tight or delicate areas, it provides a controlled and reliable solution. INTERTOOL roofing hammer. When you're working on roofing or framing, you need a hammer that can handle both driving and removing nails efficiently. The INTERTOOL roofing hammer is built with a hardened steel head for durability, while the pointed claw helps pull nails or pierce materials when needed. A magnetic nail starter allows you to position nails with one hand, which is useful when working at height. The fiberglass handle is designed to absorb shock and improve grip during repeated strikes. In real job conditions, it offers control and reliability. For roofing and general construction, it's a practical and dependable choice. SOMELINE Spade Connector Crimp Tool. When you're working with electrical terminals, a weak crimp can lead to unreliable connections or failures later. The SOMELINE Spade Connector Crimp Tool is designed with a ratcheting mechanism that ensures each crimp is completed with consistent pressure before release. Its jaws are shaped to secure both the conductor and insulation, helping create a stable electrical and mechanical connection. The adjustable force setting allows you to match the tool to different wire sizes. In real use, it improves consistency across repeated tasks. For secure and reliable terminal connections, it offers controlled and dependable performance. Gap Fixer Tool Set. When you're adjusting panels, glass, or fitted parts, applying force directly can risk damage or misalignment. The Gap Fixer tool set is designed to handle these situations with controlled pressure. It typically includes a suction handle for lifting and positioning surfaces, along with a rubber mallet for gentle adjustments without leaving marks. The aluminum body adds strength, while the rubber contact points protect delicate materials. In real installation work, it helps you align pieces accurately without damage. For controlled positioning and adjustment, it provides a safe and practical solution. Plate Compactor Kit. When you're preparing a surface for paving or landscaping, uneven ground can lead to long-term issues. The Plate Compactor Kit is designed to compact soil and base materials efficiently, creating a stable foundation before installation. Its cordless design removes the need for fuel, while offering consistent operation for controlled compaction. The unit supports directional movement and adjustable speed, helping you manage different surfaces with better precision. In real use, it improves surface stability and reduces future settling. For reliable ground preparation, it provides a practical and efficient solution. That brings us to the end of this lineup of German tools built for real-world performance. If any of these stood out to you, all the Amazon links are waiting in the description. Drop a comment and let me know which tool you would actually use in your workflow, and don't forget to like and subscribe to AU Techverse for more practical tools and tech that truly make a difference.